In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add resume on Amazon Jobs. By the end, you'll have your resume uploaded to your Amazon Jobs profile so you can apply quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Amazon careers site at amazon.jobs. Make sure you're on the correct page so your information stays secure. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where key account options live. Click My Career. If you're asked to sign in or verify your account, go ahead and do that so you can access your profile settings. From the My Career area, choose My Profile. This is your personal hub on Amazon Jobs, and it's where you'll manage your contact details, preferences, and documents. In this page, find the section labeled Resume. This is the dedicated place to upload and store your resume, so it's attached to your applications. Click Add Your Resume. You'll see an option to browse your device. Select that, and a file picker will open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you keep your resume, select the file, and confirm. A quick tip here, a PDF or a clean docx is usually safest, and a simple file name like first name, last name, resume is easier for recruiters to identify. Also, avoid special characters in the file name, and keep the file size reasonable to prevent upload issues. After you choose the file, you should see the document name or a brief preview indicating it has been added. Take a moment to make sure you selected the correct, most up-to-date version, ideally tailored to the roles you're targeting at Amazon. Clear sections for experience, skills, and education help applicant tracking systems parse your information accurately. When everything looks right, click Save to Profile. This saves the resume to your Amazon Jobs account so it's available each time you apply. Wait for the confirmation message to appear on the page. This is your signal that the upload was successful and the resume is now linked to your profile. That's it. You've added your resume to Amazon Jobs. If you ever need to update it, just return to the same resume section, upload a newer version, and save again. Keeping your resume current ensures your applications reflect your latest experience and skills. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, you're now ready to apply faster and more effectively on Amazon Careers.